Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the hard disk and RAM on Sony Vaio vgn-fw41e. First of all, remove the laptop battery. Then remove the one screw that holds the plastic cover that hides the RAM. To remove the RAM, carefully release the latch from the side of the module holder and then gently slide the module out of its connector and out of the slot. In order to place the new RAM, press the module into the memory slot until it is properly seated and press the memory down. Then, place back the plastic cover that hides the RAM and tighten the screw. To replace the hard disk, remove the one screw that holds the plastic cover that hides the hard disk. And then remove the three screws that holds the hard disk drive bay. And lift the hard disk out of the base enclosure. Remove the four screws that holds the hard disk drive bay. And lift the hard disk out of the bay. Then place the new hard disk drive into the hard disk drive bay and tighten the four screws. And now you are ready to place the new hard disk. To do this, push the hard disk drive towards the inside of the base enclosure until the connector is seated. And tighten the three screws of the hard disk drive. Place back the plastic cover of the disk and tighten the screw. You are ready to replace your battery and start your laptop. Thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.